Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we're gonna be discussing about coronavirus that causes COVID-19. It attacks the lungs and the respiratory system, sometimes resulting in significant damage. COVID-19 often leads to pneumonia and even acute respiratory distress syndrome, a severe lung injury. Recovering lung function is possible but can require therapy and exercises for months after the infection is treated. Benefits of breathing exercises. Deep breathing can help restore diaphragm function and increase lung capacity. The goal is to build up the ability to breathe deeply during any activity, not just while at rest. Anyone can benefit from deep breathing techniques, but they play an especially important role in the COVID-19 recovery process. The exercises can be started at home during self-isolation and easily incorporated into your daily routine. Precautions. Don't begin exercises and contact your doctor if you have a fever, you have any shortness of breath or difficulty breathing while resting, or you have new swelling in your legs. Deep breathing restores lung function by using the diaphragm. Breathing through the nose strengthens the diaphragm and encourages the nervous system to relax and restore itself. Phase 1. Deep breathing while on your back. Lie on your back and bend your knees so that the bottom of your feet are resting on the bed. Place your hands on top of your stomach or wrap them around the sides of your stomach. Close your lips and place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Breathe in through the nose and pull air down into your stomach where your hands are. Try to spread your fingers apart with your breath. Slowly exhale your breath through the nose. Repeat deep breaths for 1 minute. Phase 2. Deep breathing while on your stomach. Lie on your stomach and rest your head on your hands to allow room to breathe. Close your lips and place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and pull air down into your stomach. Try to focus on your stomach, pushing into the mattress as you breathe. Slowly exhale your breath through your nose. Repeat deep breaths for 1 minute. Phase 3. Deep breathing while sitting. Sit upright on the edge of a bed or in a sturdy chair. Place your hands around the sides of your stomach. Close your lips and place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and pull air down into your stomach where your hands are. Try to spread your fingers apart with your breath. Slowly exhale your breath through the nose. Repeat deep breaths for 1 minute. Phase 4. Deep breathing while standing. Stand upright and place your hands around the sides of your stomach. Repeat deep breath for 1 minute. Yawn to a smile. This exercise incorporates motion with deep breathing, which helps increase coordination and build strength in the arms and shoulders. Sit upright on the edge of your bed or a sturdy chair. Reach arms over your head and create a big stretching yawn. Repeat for 1 minute. I hope I explained everything and you liked the video. Comment down below and tell me if it helped you or not. Thank you so much for watching the video.